Hi guys, in this video I'm going to go over the steps you will need to follow in order to find molar mass. Alright, as we learned yesterday, molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Okay, what do you need to find the molar mass? To find the molar mass, the first thing you need is the correct formula. Okay, if you have an incorrect formula, then you are going to get an incorrect mass, which, as we will learn in the following lessons, can have a dramatic effect on the answers you get. Okay, so you must have the right molar mass, but in order to have the right molar mass, you must have the correct formula. And then you are going to need a periodic table. Now here's a quick note about periodic tables. I am going to give you guys a periodic table to use. It is the official periodic table made by the state of Texas. That is the periodic table I use, because if you use different periodic tables, they have slightly different values of molar masses, which might give you slightly different answers. Okay, and I want all of us to get the same answers. So I will be attaching a periodic table on this page, and I need you to use only that periodic table. Okay, so here's how we do it. Let's say, for example, you have aluminum phosphate. Here's the chemical whose molar mass you need to find. So to do that, we need to find the correct formula first. This would also be a great place for us to review the process for writing chemical formulas, if you're still on the fence with that. So I look at my name, I see that aluminum phosphate is an ionic compound. So because it is ionic, I have to balance the charges. So my periodic table tells me that aluminum is a metal. It belongs to group 3A, so it is 3 positive. I see that phosphate is a polyatomic ion because it ends with 8. So all I have to do is look in my Google Drive on the list of polyatomic ions sheet. It was an assignment you turned in a couple of weeks ago, I believe. And over there you will see that phosphate is PO4 with a 3 negative charge. Because this is 3 positive and 3 negative, they pretty much cancel each other out, and you get the formula AlPO4. So now that you have the correct formula, all you have to do is look up the individual masses of each element on the periodic table. So aluminum, phosphorus, and oxygen. Okay, so I have my atomic masses written down. I got these from the periodic table. I used the one that I will be providing on this post. And so the molar mass of aluminum is 26.982, phosphorus is 30.974, oxygen is 15.999. I multiply the oxygen by 4 because there is a 4 on the bottom of O. We have to be careful that to not multiply the P. Okay, this 4 only belongs to O, it does not belong to P. All I have to do now is just do the math. So this will obviously be 26.982, this will be 30.974, and 15.999 times 4 gives me 63.996. All that's left is to add. One important thing to remember here is that you do not round. Okay, molar masses are supposed to be treated as exact. So 982 plus 30.974 plus 63, which gives you 121.952. Last thing you need to do is you make sure that you write the units, which are grams per mole. And that is it. These are the steps you need to take in order to find the correct molar mass. Please remember that if you don't have the correct formula, you will not have the correct mass. Okay, so hopefully this video will help you in finishing up the assignment. It is a very short assignment. I expect that you guys should be able to do it by the end of the day and get that turned in. If you have any questions, hop on to Zoom or see me in class and I will help you.